Welcome back, Freshwater Fishing Novices new viewers. My name is Moles. I've been waiting for fishing YouTubers to talk about this for over a decade. I want to clear up one possibly confusing part of this video. This is not a video about the specific rod reel combo you need or you should buy at all. This is the next phase in your fishing experience as an angler. So you've already gone out and you've bought a spinning combo. I mean, gee whiz, I had like a bunch of combos before I decided to actually go out and take the next step, buy an individual rod and then buy a separate reel and kind of pair it up myself. So then I walk into the store. So now I'm standing there, I start picking up rods, waving them around like an idiot. I'm looking down the end of the rod to see if it's straight like it's a pool cue. What am I doing? How are you going to tell what type of fishing rod you're looking at? Two different types of rods. There's going to be spinning and bait casting. Bait casting has a little brother called spin casting. Spin casting looks like this. So it's got a little trigger down here. You hit that with your thumb and the line releases, comes out the top and up the reel. Bait caster, same kind of deal with a bait caster. There's a thumb thing down here, and then all you do to engage the line is you start reeling. Bait caster is the big brother. Typically what you would start a little kid out on is a spin caster. And then when they jump up, they go to a spinning reel. Everyone knows, wow, I don't know if everyone knows what a spinning reel is, but this is a spinning reel. It's got a bail on top, open. You can see the line right here, and then you can see your handle. Same little kids' rods, both Doc Demons. Spin casting and a spinning reel. Now let's go back to two different types of rods. Bait caster, spinning. When you're physically in the store, what are you looking at? All these rods kind of look the same. They all have eyelets, they all have the rod, and then they have a handle. The main difference between a spinning reel and a bait caster reel is reel location. On a spinning reel, if you're holding it, the reel is going to hang down towards the ground away from your body. So it's on the bottom, so the eyelets are on the bottom. On a spin caster reel, the reel sits on top of the reel, and the eyelets are on top of the rod. There's one main difference. You're in the store and you come up and you see two rods, roughly the same length. These eyelets on this side are a little bigger. The eyelets on this side are a little smaller. What's the difference? I guess eyelet size. Bigger eyelets for the spinning reel. That's one giveaway. The spinning reel is going to have bigger eyelet holes. The other dead giveaway is this little thing right here. They call this the trigger, I think, because when you hold it, it goes in between middle finger, forefinger, pinky finger. Basically, that determines this little knob is what you're looking for. If you're trying to buy a spinning reel, you don't want this. If you're trying to buy a bait caster or a spin cast rod, this is 100% what you're looking for. So this is the dead giveaway. There's always going to be that right there. That little knob right there, that little thinger, that's the most important thing if you're looking for a bait caster. If you're not, make sure it doesn't have it. When you go out to just pick out a rod for your first time, you're going to pair it up with whatever heck reel you want to buy. If you want to build a spinning reel setup or a bait caster setup, it's important to know about those two little differences. This or not this. Spinning, bait casting, spin casting, spinning. Bait cast, spin cast, spinning. Bait cast, little trigger thing, spinning, no trigger thing. Okay, freshwater fishing novices, new viewers. This video helped you out at all in clarifying what you should be looking for when you go to the store. Maybe moms are watching this. How do I figure out the rod for my kid? No moms are watching this channel. Anyway, thanks for watching this week. I hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll catch you in the next video.